Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil 2018 Chevy Silverado. Start by gathering oil, filter, drain pan and tools, and wear gloves for cleanliness. Confirm the engine oil capacity and recommended viscosity for the model, and set the truck on level ground. Check that the parking brake is engaged and the engine is cool enough to touch. Lay down cardboard to catch drips and open your tools so you can work smoothly and safely. Begin by locating the oil drain plug under the engine and set the drain pan directly beneath it. Loosen the plug with the correct socket, then remove it carefully while keeping your hands clear of hot oil. Allow all the oil to drain until the flow drops to intermittent drips, which ensures most old oil is removed. Wipe the plug and seating area clean, then reinstall and torque the plug to the specified value to prevent leaks. Unscrew the old oil filter and let any remaining oil drain from the housing into the pan. Prepare the new filter by coating its rubber gasket with fresh oil and thread it on by hand until snug, then give it a quarter turn. Refill the engine with the recommended oil amount, start the engine briefly to circulate oil, then shut off and check the dipstick level. Finally, inspect around the filter and drain plug for any signs of leaking before cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.